Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Offem, a student at SKEMA Business School Lille campus. I'm running a master's program currently in project management for business development, and I'm going to be taking you through my journey in SKEMA. Come with me. Diversity, diversity, diversity. One of the things you enjoy with SKEMA is the diversity. You get to meet people from different countries, people from different continents, and you get to experience how they live their lives. These are things that would help you in your outside life, to be very honest. You get to learn the new language, which is French. Another thing is the certifications that you get. I'm also a member of the PMI, thanks to SKEMA, the PMI community. I also got a certification in GPM, that's Global Project Management. Project Management for business development is a very interesting course. Your classes don't feel like classes because you're also enjoying it. You are heard. No idea is useless to the teachers. They find value in the contributions that you make, in the things that you talk about. Because of the experiences the teachers give you, you enjoy all the subjects and you almost do not have a best. Well, I have a couple of favorites. Was it the leadership for project management? Was it the global project management? Another one I enjoyed the most, which I'm also doing my thesis in, is well-being management. My thesis happens to be an investigation in mental health within project teams. Another thing SKEMA offers you is the career fairs, whereby you get to meet prestigious companies. They come around, you talk to them, understand their work culture. During my program, we also created something called company visiting. We went to see the lifestyle of different project management focusing companies. So SKEMA just doesn't give you an avenue to do book work. You actually practicalize it. SKEMA takes you through so many simulations and you get to have real life experiences. Thank you so much for following me on my journey in SKEMA Business School Lille campus. Please reach out to us whenever you have any inquiries. Bye.